Hi traders, welcome to another session of Picks of the Week. And what do we have last week? So S&P, the Standard and Poor's fell 1.9%, leading of the material and the financial sectors, which led most of the sector into the red. As you can see on the SPY, we're getting good support here of the 50. Still we have a good uptrend. It will be interesting to see that. But on the other hand, I saw that there is a lot of call options buyer in the tech, and as you can see, Nasdaq looks really strong and looks it's going to break high unless something will happen in the market, and then it will lead everything to the downside. People run away from the small cap. See the IWN under the 50. So what else do we have? Apple, again, part of the tech, still looks bullish. Have a lot of space here for the high of the year. And what I wanted to show you is, so there are the basic sectors, you have the SPY, we have the XLK, but what I like to do sometimes is dive into. So there are some sector like, the solar, the Chinese, the Usher, the IPO sector. Now, when I'm watching those sector, it can give me good ideas, and I want to show you something. The KWEB, this is the Chinese internet. Now, as you can see, the sector, it looks really downtrend. Okay, looks like a nice gap. It can break. On the other hand, it can serve as a good support here. And then automatically, what I'm doing is when I see this opportunity, I'm getting some stock on that sector. The Baidu, it will be interesting to see if Baidu will get to this level here. We have a good support here. Maybe it's going to be a good opportunity to buy. And YY, again, we actually broke it. Stock look very weak. Again, and another one is NTS, I think. Here there's nothing really there. So there's tons of sectors, IGV, for example, is the software, and there is just dive into lots of things there. Let's see what stocks of previous weeks did. Twitter. This is where we took Twitter. Add above entry here looks pretty good. It's gonna be the trade of the week for me that I'm gonna show you in a second. And NEO still looking really good. We bought it around here. Looks really bullish. Lots of upside. And I want to show you what's so important is when you have a trade, it doesn't mean that it's going. You need to know exactly partial stops, because Yuan, for example, look what a beautiful. I think last week we talked about, I think I raised the stop here, and then I think I took another partial, and then I raised my stop here. So I took the last portion around 20 out. Now, if you don't put it or be aware, again, this volatile that gave us great stuff can actually take a lot from your last portion. So this is also something that is pretty important. It was mentioned earlier a trade that I had this week on one of our peak Twitter, and this is the way I was watching Twitter, pre-market level support, and then I got into the trade based on those supports, which was I think this was the first entry here, this reversal, and then as you can see, got to the good resistance here, then retest, and then another retest. Sometimes I'm not doing it a lot. I could actually even add, because I love when a trigger come back and check the same. And the trade developed nicely, but see where is the best place where the trade actually took a nice development is when we actually broke that level here, which I was aware of from the day before. You could see the volume, and again it was a trade I think was 20 or 30 cent stop, and as you can see, let it go, let it go. So now let's see the picks of this week. The first one that I have here is FRM. Again, nice confirmation around here, good support of the 50. 70 looks beautiful area, kind of $5 stop and good risk reward. Another one is GMTX. Again, good support, lots of upside. 45.50 area, good support around 42. Let it grow. I want to introduce my mentoring program one-on-one, which is a program to improve your trading plan, to build your setups, to develop a solid trading plan, and in order to cause you to be a better trader. Roots can be a very short trade or a very profitable trade. Love that volume. Close the gap here. Nice reverse and nice support above 11.20. Very small stop, like 80 cents, and lots of upside. Cyan. Again, love this formation. Gap up. Came to the support again above the 56.50 area. Stop under the 50. Hopefully it will grow. Zip. So Zip, for example, is an IPO. And as I was telling you earlier, this is the ETF of the IPO, which looks pretty good around here. Now, since I saw that, I was looking to see some IPO, and Zip, again, above the 22, stop under the low here. Again, can break the high. And Fubo, very volatile stock, love this formation. 31.70, stop is around here, the 20 average, and again, let it go. The last one is FSR, almost same formation, love what it's doing here, and good supports. Again, I forgot to mention about Fubo, it's a pretty volatile stock, so again, if we get a good trigger, it might work, but again, if not, we have a stop for that. Traded Fubo, I think around, when was it? Let me see. A few months ago, gave a very good, yeah. I took this reversal here. It was a good support, and again, did amazing job. Every Wednesday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to have a 15-minute mentorship, which in each session we're going to develop a new topic in order to cause you to be a better trader. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.